So guys, back with another video in this series of tutorial, and in this video we will be learning a next method called as concat. That's it. It's very so simple guys. It just concats two or more strings and it put together and returns as one single string. That's it. So let me explain you that in a moment with all the necessary things. And make sure that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I come up with the new video of tutorials, programming and coding, crash courses and all of this stuff, you will be getting notified with that. Alright, so here we are with the script tag, and I will just open some a string object, and let me do that quickly over here. And I'll just say hi. So hi is a string object, and I will console it to the log. And let me check with that in the output, and I'll just refresh this. And as you can see, this is a string object and we have got hi over here. And now I will just use concat method. I'll just use str.concat. Here we are. So I'm just concating this string which has a value of hi with this. I'll just say space and then hello. That's it, and I'll save this. And if I just check out in the browser, and as you can see, hi, hello, and as you can see, it is a space in between that. So yes guys, this is all about concat. And of course we can concat n number of strings with that. So I'll just do over here, and then I'll just say concat. Again in this function I'll just say space by. That's it, and I'll save this and come back to the browser. And as you can see, hi, hello, bye. So we can concat as many times as we can over here with that object. So it will concat this string first, and then the second one and the third one. That's it, and the process goes on and on till the last concat method. That's it guys, this is all about a concat method do. And it just club all the strings and output the combined string as an output. That's it. And make sure that it is helpful for string manipulation and string processing and all of those stuff in client side. And that's it all about that. And see you in the next video.